Common English vocabulary words and phrases for your daily routine. Here are some common phrases and words for your daily routine. During this video, we will talk about what we do at certain times of the day. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth at 7:15 a.m. I comb my hair at 7:30 in the morning. I wash my face with soap and water at 7:35 a.m. I get dressed at 7:45 a.m. I put on my shoes. I tie my shoes. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. I put my laundry in the washing machine after breakfast. I take my clothes out of the dryer and iron them. I fold my clothes and put them away. We eat lunch at noon. At 3 p.m., I go for a jog. We eat dinner at 6 p.m. I take off my clothes and take a shower. She takes a bath at 9 p.m. I throw my dirty clothes in the laundry basket. I put on my pajamas. I go to bed at 10 p.m.